There you have it, guys. A perfectly cooked soft-boiled egg. You can see I have boiling water in this pot. You can make as many soft-boiled eggs as you want at one time, guys, okay? I'm just going to cook 2. Get yourself a big slotted spoon so that you can submerge the eggs in the water without breaking them. And if they crack a little bit, it doesn't matter. It still works. So we're just going to put these in carefully. And we're going to start our timer at 5 minutes. All right, 5 minutes have gone by. I'm going to remove these eggs and I'm going to dunk them in a bowl of cold water. This will stop the cooking. It'll also make it easier for me to peel them. Salt and pepper. Oh, yummy.